Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I, Zarna Patel, welcome you all in today's general awareness session. So, what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we learned about magic words and good manners at school. So, let us quickly revise that topics. Let us first revise magic words with the help of different slides and see how these magic words can do wonders in our life. Children, use the magic word please to request something from your friend or at your home. Children, say thank you when someone helps you. Right? Very good. Say sorry when you hurt someone by mistake, children. Children, say excuse me if you want to speak to someone when they are busy. And you can also use this magic word after sneezing or coughing. I hope you all will use these magic words in your daily life whenever it is needed. Now let us revise the topic of good manners at school with the help of different slides. Children, always remember to use magic words like sorry, thank you, excuse me and please in the class whenever it is needed. है ना बच्चों, आप ये गुड मैनर्स फॉलो करोगे ना क्लास में. हेल्पिंग अदर्स इज अ वेरी गुड मैनर्स. तो बच्चों, आप लोग क्लास में आपके फ्रेंड्स की हेल्प करते हो ना. यस, यू आर माई वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन. Children, we should always greet our principal ma'am, supervisor ma'am and teachers whenever we meet them in the school. And what we will say? हम क्या कहेंगे? हम कहेंगे good morning ma'am. Children, you have to always listen carefully whatever instruction is given by your teacher. So remember, listening is a very good manner. बच्चों, अगर आपको मैम से कुछ भी बात करनी है या कुछ भी पूछना है तो आप क्या करोगे? यू विल रेज योर हैंड टू से समथिंग. चिल्ड्रन, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टू यूज डस्टबिन. By using dustbin, we can keep our school and classroom neat and clean. बच्चों, जब भी हम प्ले एरिया में खेलने के लिए जाते हैं तब हम कौन सी गुड मैनर्स फॉलो करेंगे? We will wait for our turn. Children, try to follow all these good manners in the school which we have learnt right now. Now let us do a fun activity related to the topic of good manners at school. So let us start, children. Children, here is the layout of our activity. On one side we will place the flashcard that shows good choices, and on the other side, we will place the flashcards that shows bad choices, right? So now I will show you few flashcards. So what do you see in this flashcard, children? What do you see? Oh, the boy is pushing the another boy. Now tell me, is it a good choice or it is a bad choice? Yes, pushing someone is a bad choice. So we will place the flashcard over here. Right. Now tell me, what do you see over here? Yes, the girl is using the dustbin to throw the trash And using the dustbin is a good choice or a bad choice? Yes, it is a good choice. So, we will place this flashcard over here like this. Very good. Now, let me show you another flashcard. So, what do you see over here, children, in this flashcard? In this flashcard, the boy is sharing crayons with the girl. And tell me, sharing is a good choice or a bad choice? Yes, very good. Sharing is a good choice. So, let us place this flashcard under good choice. Like this. Now children, tell me, what do you see in this flashcard? Yes, in this flashcard, children are running in the hallway. Now tell me, running in the hallway is a good choice or a bad choice? Yes, it is a bad choice. One should not run and always form a line and walk. So let us put this flashcard under bad choice like this. In this flashcard, children, the boy is helping other boy, right? So, tell me, helping others is a good choice or a bad choice? Yes, helping others is always a good choice. So, let us place this flashcard under good choices like this. Very good. Let us see the next flashcard. What do you see over here, children? Yes, the girl is throwing trash on the floor and she is not using the dustbin. So, tell me, not using the dustbin is a good choice or bad choice? Yes, it is a bad choice as we should always use dustbin. So we will put this flashcard under bad choice like this. I hope you all have enjoyed the activity and also learned to make good choices over the bad ones. Now let us solve the worksheet that I gave you yesterday, and I hope you all have completed the worksheet as the solution. In the worksheet, we will take the pictures which show the children following good manners. In the first picture, the boy is helping a injured boy and it is a good manner, so we will put a tick mark in the given space. Over here, children are playing in the play area and they are taking turn. So, it is a good manner, so we will put a tick mark in the given space. In this picture, all the children are together on the slide and it is not a good manner, so we won't put a tick mark. In this picture, the boy is sharing chocolates with the girl and sharing is a good manner, so we will put a tick mark below. Over here, the boy is using the dustbin. Using the dustbin is a good manner. So, we will put a tick mark in the given space. And in the last picture, boys are throwing trash on the floor and that is not a good manner. So, we won't put a tick mark in the given space. Children, I hope this session has helped you to learn the topics of good manners at school and magic words. So, for today, bye kids. I will see you soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling.